in here and see how this one looks. They don't have the air on in here. Yeah, good. That's the sink. Here's my pudding. I love those. Stove. How many eyes this got? Raise it up. Wow, this got 2. Window right here. And they got cabinets up there. Come around. I think I don't know, was it this one said something is up there? Probably in a different one. And come over here, there's a couch. Where's the bed? I don't know, there's the couch, a window. You go in here, we have a refrigerator right here. Ooh, pretty big refrigerator. And what is this? The freezer. A cabinet right here down. And over here have a mirror in the cabinet. And I got 1, 2 drawers. Oh, this is the, oh my goodness, I just got 2 beds. This might work in this one. Wow. This got 2 beds, guys. Space, yeah. One of the beds. Then another bed. I don't know what that is. Right there. And we got a curtain right here. Oh, we got a TV. The TV over here. And you got a window, space up there. Wow. Okay. Yes, tight spot. Oh Lord. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I like that the shower is separate from the toilet. Oops. Yep. I like the toilet is separate from the toilet. Oh, even got a sink. Okay. I can live with this one. Bring y'all a little closer. Yeah, this is nice. Put him a oh, and I already got him a TV in here. Okay, he got his own TV. And I got my TV. Here, relax. Yeah, I watch TV. No, I might have to sleep in here in the couch. Well, not sleep in here, but have a TV in here for me because the couch is my size. This is a nice one. I like this one too. Hey, girl. I like to get a tray right here. They have 2 of them. And then there's a dryer part up there. Good, I'm glad you don't have to step down. We both probably be breaking our neck trying to get in here. See? That's how it look over there. Big window. A mirror. It's a Ford. And have a mirror over here. Hey, girl. What? I can't hear you. Okay, once again, looking at it. The couch. Then have a TV for me. And then back here, there's the bedroom. Nice. One bed, and then go 2 bed. Window both sides. Yeah, this is nice. Not gonna work with this one for the both of us, cause look, you got a TV in here for him. Like it got 2 eyes, 2 stoves, and a microwave, a refrigerator.